If you were in DeFi, if you were thinking about DeFi, if someone else is telling you about DeFi, if you're following an influencer that is promoting DeFi, you guys need to check out this video. Let's get into it. Welcome to another video, guys. In this one, I am not even going to go in on anybody. I am just going to refer you guys to Drip Coach. If you are in DeFi, I don't care what DeFi project it's in, guys. We've been preaching this for a long time, but Drip Coach yesterday dropped a video that should open your eyes very clearly on the things that are going on behind the scenes, from the devs taking money out of the system without you being aware of it, and also the toxic communities and the gatekeeping that are going on in these protocols. Okay, so if you have ears to hear, I know Drip Coach done already dropped it on his audience. So for you guys that follow me, I know you are more so have evolved beyond this point in time to where you are not following after these crappy DeFi projects. But I know that some people catch some of my videos and their eyes are open and they inquire of me. So I am putting this out there just as a follow up to direct you guys to Drip Coach's video. I need not say a thing. And this opening clip here is just some Telegram messages that goes on behind the scenes, and you see this guy named Deer Slayer is highly pissed off because of a video the Drip Coach released, and people are waking up from it, and they call this in their own platform negativity. It's not negativity, it's inquiring about people's investments. And when these people have something to hide, they are going to hit you with name calling. They're going to hit you with flooding and all of this other stuff to try to gaslight you. Okay. This is a pattern that happens in every DeFi project, especially when you have these type of admins and the type of influencers that are shilling this information to you guys. So really want for you to wake up. If you want to stay asleep and continue to lose your money, that's all well and fine, and you are free to do that. I'm not mad at you, coach not mad at you. But for those of you that are getting into DeFi or entertaining the thought of getting into DeFi, let me show you what you need to look to. Okay, check out Drip Coach's video here. Okay, the name is Drip Coach, and you can do a search on YouTube. And his video is exposing the crypto truth, how to avoid scams like DripX and TitanX. Okay, so Coach has already gone in on DripX. I've already gone in on TitanX to show you guys in great detail the things that are going on. But Coach sums everything up beautifully in this video. So I encourage all of you guys to check this out. Now, I'm not just going to share this and be done with it, because I know you guys are in DeFi to make money. Okay. There's no question about that. And that's all why we're all here in the realm of cryptos. But smart money, guys, is going into solid assets, solid cryptos, particularly in Bitcoin. And there's a paradigm shift many of you guys are going to have to make if you want to start establishing some real long-term gains in the crypto space. And I'm talking about wins, guys, not pipe dreams that these influencers are shilling to you, but actual returns. And there's a website that I came across that is very simple, basic, and gives you an understanding about Bitcoin. So I'm going to leave Drip Coach's video in the description. I'm also going to leave a link to this website in the description, because this website is very thorough, it's easy to read, and cartoonish like a lot of you guys enjoy if you follow the Bartertown conglomerate of these guys, right? And they have 3 free lessons out here. Beyond that, you can purchase the lessons, but they are very thorough and getting you to understand what money is, what Bitcoin is, and how to use it effectively in order to gain in the crypto space. Okay, so this link will be in the description. I encourage you guys to head out there, try it out, pass it on to your friends, even your children, because they might like this type of interface where they can actually learn about cryptos and get out of this fiat based system, and definitely stay away from these DeFi scams. Okay, now in addition to this, once you learn about Bitcoin, then you will understand the value of these high yield Bitcoin wallets. I mean, you come out here and say, oh, I'm going to make a quick buck. And no, it's not like that, guys. Bitcoin is an asset that you want to buy, hold, accumulate over the long term, and it will pay out great benefits for you. Okay, so here's just another example of my poor man's wallet where I only put in 0.0007 Bitcoin, right? And and consider this, guys. When I did this, when I put that in, that was back in March. The value of Bitcoin was worth $45 at the time. The price has gone up, so you benefit, number one, from price appreciation, because that $45 is now worth $72. So had I just put the money here and left it, or bought it on an exchange, bought Bitcoin on an exchange and left it there, it would have increased from $45 to $72. That is the power of Bitcoin. It's a store of value, guys. You have to understand this. But the benefit of this wallet is that I can take the Bitcoin, the existing Bitcoin that I have, purchase credits at a discount, or make deposits in here and get free credits, right? And over the course of time, that increases. So that $75 is now today worth over $260, right? So, and in this particular wallet, like I say, I don't put any more money in. I don't take any more money out. I'm just using this to continuously grow my Bitcoin holdings through this cycle and even through the next cycle. And it only cost me $45 at the time to try it out, right? So I'm gonna head over to the marketplace as usual and just buy up some more credits because I have $13 worth of credits. I'm gonna just knock this out real quick, just so I can keep these credits flowing, even though I already got some 200 something dollars worth of credits flowing. Head back out to the dashboard and see I have $258 plus some change in Bitcoin that I could use right here. So I'm walking away from this and just let it continue to grow over the next couple weeks or month or whatever the case is. And also keep in mind, guys, another benefit of this wallet that you might not be realizing is that Bitcoin is now worth $104,000. But by purchasing Bitcoin in the marketplace, that's like you are essentially buying Bitcoin at $91,000. Okay. So if you actually understand how this acts as a hedge against the falling price of Bitcoin, like if the price of Bitcoin drops, this acts as a hedge against that. And then you have to consider that Bitcoin itself, just by buying it and holding it, acts as a hedge against inflation, against the US dollar, the euro, the pound, and every other asset. Okay. So you guys should wise up about Bitcoin. And of course, I will leave a link to these wallets in the description as well. Now, finally, for you guys that just like to gamble, that you can't help yourself, you want to get into DeFi because the influencers are promising great gains and you're going to go from 0 to 60 in 2 seconds and all this type of stuff. That can happen for some, but trust me, it's for a very few. And the key thing you have to do with this, guys, is get in early. We are looking at Titan X, which is a project that I kind of share with you guys, show you the problems with it. And you see that it's had its run-ups and now it's on its downward trend, guys. Money's been extracted from the system. And if you didn't get in way back when, particularly in this season here, you are bound to lose money in this thing, guys. So no new capital is going to be coming into this as more and more people understand that it's a fluke. Okay. The same thing happened with Elephant Money. The same thing happened with Drip. The same thing happened with this and with that. It's in every protocol that's in DeFi, guys. These developers are in it to fill their own pockets. And again, watch Drip Coach's video, and he breaks it down very beautifully to have you understand what's going on. Now, if you really insist on investing in a way that is gambling, where you can make quick profits, I do encourage you, go ahead and jump into flapjacks. Okay. Now, I don't promote memes or DeFi projects. I'm definitely out of DeFi projects, but memes, Coach has gotten into. And the only reason I am pushing this, not just because he's my boy, but because he's proven himself to be an honest character. Okay. So he's only going to do with the 1% that he got from this, which is what you guys in the community vote on. Okay. So he himself is pushing this and promoting this meme just like any other meme. This meme is better than Elephant Money, is better than Titan X, is better than Drip X, is better than Drip, and every other thing, because there is let's say there's 100% clarity, transparency in the things that he's doing and the things that he's saying. Not only that, guys, now is the opportunity to get in while it's early. Check this out now. We Titan X, this is a daily scale. So these are over the number of days. This is the number over the days. And this right here is 15 minutes. But let me go ahead and put it on the daily scale, and you see just how early this is, right? It already had its pump, pull back, and now you guys remember in a previous video that I released, I said, hey, if you want to do some technical analysis on it, bam, an ascending triangle was forming. Well, that ascending triangle has broken up out to the upside, just as most ascending triangles do. Now, had you gotten in at this time, you would still been able to get it on the low. But again, guys, this is very early stages. This is the time that you want to get in. And Drip Coach is dedicating time, money, effort in getting this out. And if you come in, drop a few dollars in it, and then share it on your Twitter, Facebook, YouTube channel, whatever the case is, you can stand to get some significant gains from this project. It's a meme coin. There's no value in it. It's all about hype. So if you're going to invest in it, certainly spend a little page or something on your social to help hype it up. Okay. And you will be able to rip somebody else off, since that's essentially what you're going to be doing in the DeFi and the meme space. Somebody else is going to come in, put in money at a higher price so that you can take it out with profits, right? That's what's going to happen here. But again, when it comes to these Bitcoin wallets, you do not have to worry about that. This is something that is a long-term play. You don't have to worry about guys coming in later or earlier to get in and cash in. Once these credits convert into Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is yours. Okay, you can move it out or do whatever it is that you want to. And if you're sitting on credits and you want to cash out on them real quickly, just head out to the marketplace and sell those credits. You know, put an offer out there to sell it in the marketplace in a way that's going to compete with the other offers that are out there, and you'll be able to sell those off fairly quickly if you put in the right amount. All right, guys, I think that's all I got for you in this video. If you got any questions, comments, leave them in the description below. Again, I will say go check out this video, guys. It is very informative. If you are in DeFi, check out this video. You're going to save yourself a lot of headache, a lot of heartache, and a lot of money. All right, guys, that's all I got for you, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.